Welcome back to our channel, Nomadic Investing. Today, we're diving deep into the prospects of investing in Morgan Stanley stocks. We'll explore its price history, current performance, and what the future might hold for this financial giant. We'll also discuss the best time to invest based on expert analysis and market trends. This video will provide you with all the insights you need to make informed decisions and packed with valuable information. Make sure to watch until the end for our exclusive tips and strategies. Morgan Stanley is a powerhouse in the financial services sector, offering investment banking, securities, wealth management, and investment management services. With a legacy dating back to 1935, the firm has built a strong reputation for excellence and innovation. Let's dive into the Morgan Stanley stock price history. Over the past decade, Morgan Stanley stock has shown significant growth. In 2010, the stock was trading around $25 per share. By the end of 2020, it had risen to approximately $75 per share, reflecting a robust upward trajectory. Fast forward to 2023, Morgan Stanley stock has continued its positive trend. The all-time high of Morgan Stanley stock was $105.45 on February 14, 2023, driven by strong earnings and a favorable economic environment. As of mid-2024, Morgan Stanley stock is trading around $90 per share, offering a potential buying opportunity for investors. So, when is the best time to buy Morgan Stanley stock? Market timing can be challenging, but there are a few key indicators to watch. Most importantly, keep an eye on the overall economic outlook. Financial services stocks like Morgan Stanley tend to perform well when the economy is strong. Here are some essential tips for your Morgan Stanley investment strategy to help you make informed decisions. Tip 1. Market conditions. Always look for favorable economic conditions and strong market performance. This can help you identify the best times to invest. Tip 2. Earnings reports. Pay close attention to Morgan Stanley's earnings reports. Consistent, strong performance in these reports can signal a good time to invest. Tip 3. Dividend yield. Morgan Stanley offers a competitive dividend yield, which makes it particularly attractive for income-focused investors looking for steady returns. Tip 4. Long-term perspective. Financial services stocks can be volatile in the short term, but Morgan Stanley's strong fundamentals make it a solid choice for a long-term investment. Patience and a long-term view can yield significant benefits. Investing in individual stocks always carries risk, so it's essential to diversify your portfolio and consider consulting with a financial advisor. They can help you tailor your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. In summary, investing in Morgan Stanley stock offers great potential given its historical performance and solid fundamentals. The company has consistently shown resilience and growth. Keep an eye on market conditions and earnings reports to make informed decisions. Staying updated with the latest financial news is crucial. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with fellow investors. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investment insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy investing.